Imagine a digital realm where your unique biological signatures unlock everything. Understanding the global shift towards biometrics is crucial as it reshapes security, privacy, and accessibility in the digital age. As we move towards a future where biometrics replace traditional passwords, the promise of streamlined access and heightened security becomes tantalizingly real. By utilizing fingerprints, facial recognition, and retinal scans, biometrics promise to eliminate the hassle of password management, changing how we access everything from banking to workplaces. However, this transition is not without its challenges. The immutable nature of biometric data means that once compromised, it can lead to severe cases of identity theft. Robust encryption and data protection measures are imperative to safeguard against these risks. Additionally, the mass collection of biometric data raises significant privacy concerns, potentially leading to unauthorized surveillance if not ethically managed. The global adoption of this technology could also exacerbate accessibility issues, leaving less developed regions and certain individuals unable to utilize such systems without significant investment. Culturally, there may be resistance from communities distrusting of biometric data sharing. Critical to this transition will be the role of artificial intelligence, which could enhance system accuracy but also brings its own ethical challenges. Ultimately, strategies must focus on integrating biometrics with other security measures and fostering international collaboration to ensure equitable and secure implementation. To navigate this brave new world, it's essential to stay informed about biometrics and advocate for privacy standards and equitable access that ensure these technologies benefit humanity as a whole. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos discussing the ever-evolving realm of technological advancements. Until next time, we shall meet again in the near future.